For today's project, I'm doing another dry point print. To make this project, you're going to need some plexiglass. I got my plexiglass from an old frame that I bought at IKEA that used plexiglass in the frame instead of glass. You're going to need an image, something you drew or a photograph. For this project, I took a photo of my cat and I am using an etching pencil with a diamond tip to etch my image onto the plexi. I'm going to be using Calico Safe Wash inks. They work really well for these type of projects. You're going to need a pair of gloves. You're going to need some newsprint, possibly paper or an old book that you can throw away the pages, basically to stay neat for your project. And you're going to need some pre-dampened paper. I went ahead and put some etching paper between some old newsprint and wet it, and I have it waiting to be used. So when you etch on your plexi, you simply use your pencil like you would do any pencil and draw on it, and your pencil will scratch lines into your plexi, and your lines will fill with ink when you put your ink on your plexiglass. It's sometimes a little difficult to see where you've drawn, so I'm looking at an angle right now to see where my etches are. Let's see if you can see them. If I put it at an angle, I think you can see some of the etching on the plate. And another way to see the etching on the plate is to get a dark background. So I'm going to grab a piece of black mat board and see what I've done so far. And you can see pretty well what the etching looks like.